Go ahead. Adam! What'd you do with the mitten? What'd you do? Yeah, because you have to suck your thumb. Come on. He threw one off. Adam, 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 Adam. Sucky, sucky, thumb, thumb, suck, suck, thumb. Sucky, sucky, thumb, thumb, suck, suck, thumb.
Stop it, Tita, or you'll suck your thumb.
Faster, faster, Emma.
I can't do it faster. My hands are numb.
Hey, Adam.
So this is Dita with the igloo, and this is my snowman. I gotta put his face on, and I'll let you know what that looks like later. Say goodbye for now. My fingertips are frozen.
Bye.